Exploring Axure RP, is it the right design tool for you? In the world of UI/UX design, finding the perfect tool is crucial for bringing your ideas to life. Axure RP is a popular choice among designers, but is it the right design tool for you? In this video, we will delve into the advantages and disadvantages of Axure RP, as well as identify the individuals who would benefit most from using it. Let's dive in. Advantages of Axure RP. Powerful prototyping capabilities. Axure RP shines when it comes to rapid prototyping. Its extensive features allow you to create highly interactive HTML prototypes for web, mobile, and desktop applications. With Axure RP, you can quickly transform your rough ideas into polished wireframes and prototypes. Diverse deliverables. Axure RP offers a wide range of deliverables to cater to different design needs. From sitemaps and personas to user workflows and customer journey maps, you can create comprehensive documentation that helps you communicate and validate your design decisions. Collaboration and feedback. Axure RP simplifies collaboration by providing a public link feature, allowing clients and team members to review and provide feedback on your designs. This facilitates effective communication and ensures that everyone is on the same page throughout the design process. Vast library of widgets. Axure RP provides a rich library of pre-built widgets and libraries built by designers that can be easily customized and incorporated into your designs. This saves you time and effort, as you can quickly add interactive elements and create dynamic experiences for your users. Disadvantages of Axure RP. Steeper learning curve. While Axure RP has a user-friendly interface and easy to use, mastering its full potential may require some time and effort. The learning curve is steeper when it comes to creating complex interactions and animations. However, with practice and resources available online, you can overcome this challenge. Limited visual design capabilities. Axure RP's primary focus is on prototyping and functionality rather than visual design. If you're seeking a tool with advanced visual design features or a dedicated design system, other tools like Sketch, Adobe XD, or Figma may better suit your needs. Price point. Axure RP is a premium tool, and its pricing may be a consideration for some individuals, especially those on a tight budget. However, the investment can be worthwhile for UX designers who heavily rely on prototyping and collaboration. In conclusion, Axure RP is a powerful design tool that excels in rapid prototyping and collaboration. Its diverse deliverables, extensive widget library, and ability to create interactive experiences make it a valuable choice for UX designers. However, the steeper learning curve and its primary focus on functionality over visual design should be considered. Axure RP is best suited for UX designers who prioritize prototyping, collaboration, and delivering comprehensive design documentation. Then, who should use Axure RP? UX designers and prototypers. Axure RP is a dream come true for UX designers who want to create interactive prototypes with a high level of detail and fidelity. If you're passionate about user experience and want to bring your designs to life, Axure RP is the perfect tool for you. Its prototyping capabilities and comprehensive set of UX deliverables make it an essential asset for UX designers. Design teams and collaboration. Axure RP is designed to facilitate collaboration within design teams. If you work in a team environment where multiple designers, developers, and stakeholders are involved, Axure RP provides a platform for seamless collaboration. Its public link sharing feature enables easy sharing of designs for feedback and review, ensuring that everyone is aligned and working towards the same goals. UX professionals and agencies. For UX professionals and agencies, Axure RP is a go-to tool for delivering exceptional user experiences. Its ability to create detailed wireframes, interactive prototypes, and comprehensive documentation makes it an ideal choice for showcasing design solutions to clients. Axure RP's reputation as a standard tool in the UX industry adds credibility and professionalism to your work. Individuals with a focus on functionality. If you prioritize functionality and user interactions in your design process, Axure RP is a tool that aligns with your goals. Its emphasis on rapid prototyping and creating interactive experiences allows you to validate your design decisions and iterate quickly. With Axure RP, you can ensure that your designs are not only visually appealing but also intuitive and user-friendly. Continuous learners and explorers. If you enjoy exploring new tools and expanding your skill set, Axure RP offers a wealth of learning opportunities. As you delve deeper into the tool, you'll discover new features, techniques, and best practices. Axure RP's active community and availability of online resources make it a great tool for continuous learning and professional growth. Axure RP is a powerful design tool that caters to the needs of UX designers, design teams, UX professionals, and individuals with a focus on functionality. Its prototyping capabilities, collaboration features, and comprehensive set of UX deliverables make it a valuable asset in the design process. If you fall into any of these categories and seek a tool that empowers you to create interactive and user-centric designs, Axure RP is the perfect fit for you. If you want to quickly learn and master Axure, or purchase widget libraries to improve your work efficiency, please go to https://axureboutique.com. This is a website with everything about Axure.